Okay, here's the dishwasher. We're going to be scrapping it today. So inside we've got plastic, not good. Not good. Don't shout again. Oops, I did that one. Some more plastic. Then go recycle bin. Not sure about that. That probably looks about steel. Actually, it could be stainless. Test that. This is going to be steel. Got the steel pile. See if I can yank it off. There you go. That worked very hard. So looks like we've got a bit of steel. Not sure what that is. Probably stainless or alley. I'm going to say that's probably alley or stainless, not 100%. There's a little thing in here that's it. There's a lot of shit in it. I think that's probably a bit of steel. Wire rust. Heating element. Not sure if I should do something with that, probably. Bloody thing out of here. I'll get that out later. But, yep, this is all we've got so far. I'm going to test it all first. Okay, this is what we've got so far. We've got some, sorry, my apologies. Got some on the top of the machine itself. We've got some magnetic stainless steel, and down here we've got some steel. So let's see if we can take this thing apart now. Well, there goes the front panel, and there's a load of stuff in this one. Oh, hello. So I'm going to get stripping that, and we'll crack on some more then, I guess. Nice. Some nice thick wire here as well. So yeah, there's brains. So that's probably what died. There's also a relay, another relay, 2 relays in this ring, a couple of other gadgets and things. So I'm going to rip all that out and have a look to see what we get after. Okay, so the whole entire front panel has been stripped, and we've got a little bit of wire, fair bit, and some relays on a printed circuit board. So, and also be careful, it can be sharp metal. I've just cut myself. Right then, oh my goodness, we got all this shit in here. Got a nice big electric motor, got a pump, got a capacitor, we've got loads of wiring that I'm just going to rip some shit out of, and yeah, that's about it. Got a pressure switch, not sure what these little doohickeys are. Oh, they're for the heating element. A few other bits and bobs. So yeah, time to get my scrapping place on then. Seriously, oh my god, look at the size of that motor. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we've got. We've got the actual unit itself, which I'm going to just take it in as is, to be totally honest. Got a bit of magnetic stainless steel in there and everywhere. Same with there. Got bits of steel here. Got a load of wiring, which is cool. We've got a pump motor and a fat ass shaded pole electric motor, which will probably do for a fan or something, although it's 1 speed only. And unfortunately I got the capacitor wires, which I forgot by mistake because I didn't want this thing shorting out, and that's about it really. So yeah, I'll drag this thing outside, let it dry off, and then put it in my car, and then probably take it down to the scrapyard maybe.